Want to unsuspend your Twitter or X account without an appeal? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can do it. Start by moving into the Safari on your device. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Twitter Help Center. You need to move into the site, Contact Us Help Center. Click on it. It will land you on this official page of Help Center. Now what you want to do is tap on Locked and Suspended Account Issues. It will be landing you on this page. In this page, you need to click on Logout over here. Click on it. It will open up the Twitter. You have to enter your login credential. First of all, enter your username. And then enter the password of your account. Once you have entered, tap on Login. Now tap on Logout. Once you have clicked on Logout, your account will be unsuspended, and it will also reactivate your account. So that's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.